Hello everyone. So I am currently the Eden Project hostel. I went to the Eden Project today, which you guys already saw obviously. Right now I'm just heading out for a little bit of a walk because I'm so close to 10,000 steps today. That's been my goal every day, to get at least 10,000. So I'm just going for a little walk and it is gorgeous outside. So I thought I would just update you guys. Just uploaded my vlog. You guys can go to the last video and check that out. Otherwise, I hope you guys enjoy this footage coming up. So I'm not sure what this place is that I've happened upon. English style abandoned buildings, and the ground and the earth have just taken them over and made them their own, I guess you could say. And this is like so cool to see. They're all boarded up so I can't get inside, but I feel like one of those urban explorers, like exploring with Josh or something. I'm not going too far into it because I'm on my own right now. But I will show you guys some of the footage right now. Alright, so I'm just about to leave the Eden Project hostel. Lighting in here is odd, I look really green. But I wanted to show you guys my room here, because I ended up getting my own room, which is amazing. So yeah, I'm going to show you a quick tour. It's honestly the tiniest little pod I've ever been in, but it's really, really cool. So I thought I'd show you guys around. So this is the door right here. I just have my jacket hanging on it. It's in an old shipping container, converted shipping container. But here is the one main bed here. This is where I slept, obviously. There's a TV up there. You can watch all the English shows. And then there are two bunk beds here. This is my luggage storage area right here. So all of my stuff, all of my crap. And then up here is the second bunk. I did go up there a few times just because, you know, you can't resist. I couldn't resist anyways. So then you come this way. Here's a little cabinet here. I just have all my trash down there. I'm going to take out a little mirror. And then in here is the bathroom. And I apologize because it's all wet. I did just take a shower. But in here is the shower area. And in the same room you have the toilet and the sink and everything. And then there's me. It's a really tiny space, but it's honestly so nice. I really have enjoyed this, so if you're ever in the area, stay here at this hostel because it's really fun. It's beautiful. It's in the middle of the Eden Project, and so it's just like nature everywhere. But yeah, so I'm going to show you guys some of the outside right now, but other than that, I will catch you guys at our next stop. So I'm in Ride right now and on the Isle of Wight, headed to go do my weigh-in. Hope things go well. Not feeling very well. I think I might be coming down with like a cold or something, but obviously had to do my weigh-in, so I'm on my way and I will obviously let you guys know what it said. Right now to Portsmouth from the Isle of Wight. Thought I'd update you guys, let you know what my weigh-in was. I weighed 246, which is 4 down from last week when I went up, and then 3 from the week before. So I've lost a total of 4 pounds, which is definitely a good thing. It's better than last week. Definitely back to normal. So I'm at 246. I was at 249 before I left. And we'll see what my official next weigh-in, which will be at the OptiFast meet, which you guys will see next Wednesday. Anyways, I'm on this ferry right now. It'll take like 40 minutes to get over to Portsmouth, and then we're heading to the D-Day Museum. everyone, so I just wanted to let you guys know where we are, which is we are on Pooh Sticks Bridge from Winnie the Pooh. It was a huge part of my childhood. This is the bridge where they would throw the Pooh Sticks and play Pooh Sticks. We actually just did that, and it was so exciting. Pam won. I came in as a close second though, and I just wanted to show you guys the area. I think it is absolutely beautiful here. Everything is just so reminiscent of Winnie the Pooh. So I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you guys at my next stop.